Okay, got the Flex RV-8 out here today. Well, used to be a Flex RV-8. It's been crashed, put back together twice, modified with a turtle deck and a foam canopy, and doesn't have the aura anymore. It's got a Spectrum 8-channel AS3X Plus receiver, and the original motor's sounding kind of ratty, but still flies. Still a lot of fun. Flies really good with AS3X Plus. Kind of messed up that pop top a little bit. Let's try it on this end. That's better. Yeah, that was a good one. Sure it won't show up on the camera, but we've got all these weird pieces of spider web drifting around today, and they keep landing on my face while I'm flying. It's really distracting. This thing is just such a fun, smooth, groovy airplane to fly. Knife edges for days. In regular AS3X mode, it needs a little bit of mixing to get the coupling out. But if I switch it into, I've got a mode set up with heading hold on aileron and elevator. And then you just roll it up, hit rudder, and it just goes, just trucks along. Didn't pitch it down enough for that pop top either. Let's flat spin it. Flat spin's real nice. Let's see if I can get another good flat pop top out of it. No, that wasn't a pop top at all. It was kind of cool though. And then this is fun too. I've got crow mode set up, so you can come in really fast. And then you have to add power to make it back to the runway. And it just stops. Now let's land it like a normal person. Half flaps. Wheel landing.
Heading hold low. Battery 21.21 volts. AS3X time remaining 1 minute. Battery 20.85 volts.
These packs are getting kind of old. They start squealing about low voltage partway through when I hammer on them.
Flaps full.
It's actually easier to land with mid flaps
Flaps.
or no flaps. That's timer.
Timer expired.
Especially if you want to do a wheel landing.
Battery 20.83. Flaps full.
I know. Battery is tired. We'll land. Full flap 3-pointer this time. Fun airplane. Got hundreds of flights on it. Looks crappy, but still flies great.